Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we have a 4-channel muscle stimulator that has 24 modes to help relieve your pains of your muscles. Alright, so right here we have an Avcoo tons and powered muscle stimulator. So this is great to use if you have achy back, sore elbows, waist, shoulders, hands, neck, leg, arms, knees, and back. This helps you stimulate those areas so they can take out the muscle tensions. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so first off, you can see the machine right here. It looks like a small old-time phone. So we're going to put that against the side. And right here we have a drawstring carrying case. This little bag here is a zip tie. It's by Avcoo. So when you're out and about and you want to bring this with you, you can just pop it in this little bag, draw the string, and you're ready to go. And then loosen up, you just use your fingers. That's how easy it is. So in the box here we get a charging cable. This is your standard Android charging cable. It does not use Type-C. So right here we actually get the wires. You get 4 sets of them because like I said, this is a 4-channel, so it runs multiple at the same time. You can use the TENS, also the EMS, which combines the 2 therapies into one. The TENS have been used by doctors and physicians and therapists for those people who are suffering lower back issues. It provides an invasive and non-toxic method to effectively relieve pain. The EMS can massage and relax muscles, break down lactic acid, and strengthen weak muscles and improve your muscle tone. So you get 4 of these ones. And you get the little pads that you apply to your skin to deliver the muscle relaxing. So you've got a few of these size. You've got a set of the smaller size and you've got a set of a bigger one. So the bigger ones are set to be used in the bigger areas like your lower back, your legs. You can use those also on your front of your stomach. And then of course you get the user manual. The user manual just basically tells you how to operate the system. They do have warnings, and then the warnings, it states where to use it and where not to use it. Some of them include don't use it on your face, nowhere near your heart, and also states don't use it around your throat because it can obstruct your drinking or your breathing. So it says right here, never apply the pads to these bodies, the heart, the mouth, or any areas of the face. The neck areas and the back is where they suggest. So it does tell you here the units during the activities, pain management warnings, after usage, and then at the back it does tell you right here recommended massage points. You got your back, your arms, your legs, your knees, your feet. That's where they recommend. And this right here just basically tells you what each mode is. And then each mode has 4 little settings, and then it just goes on into more details. So that's all the user manual. So now we're going to go ahead and get into the muscle stimulator itself. It's a really nice, small, thin, sleek design. It looks like an older type cell phone. You do have your menu, you have your time, you have your plus and minus, and then you have your main little button right here. And on the side you can see it's a nice sleek design. On the back it is glossy. At the bottom right here you have the power plug, so you want to charge it from right here. This is using your Android standard plug. There's your plug. And on the other side you have your power button. So at the top you have your modes. You've got A1, A2, B1, B2. So like I said, it has 4 different channels. So those are your channel ports. You have your power button and lock button, so you can lock it into place. This does come with 24 modes. This is a glossy back finish. It does have a little plastic over it so it doesn't get scratched. I recommend leaving that on. So let's go ahead and turn this one on. So in the program, they have several programs. So there's TENS, and then they have EMS. So there you have your time, your battery, and then each mode has 4 in there. So you got P1, P2, P3, P4, and the second one goes from P5 to P8. So the ones at the very bottom right here, those are EMS, which is intended to be used as stimulate healthy muscles in order to improve muscle performance and restore muscle vitality. So if you want to do that, I would use the EMS. So here are the little wires. You want to connect them up. This is just connected by a Velcro little strap. So you have no more little chicken wire holding them up. You got a nice little Velcro strap. And then you just put these up on the top of it. You can run 4 channels, but I'm going to only use 1. So you just plug it in here like that. And then you can go ahead and pick your mode. So here are the pads. I'm just going to use the small ones on my arm because these are the smaller ones and they're quickest to use. So these little pads can be used up to 100 times before the little gel on it stops sticking. And if you're looking for the replacement pads, you can find them here on Amazon directly. They're pretty cheap. You get like, I think 20 of them for like $12, so they're not that expensive. So the 24 modes in this provides with deep tissue massages such as hammering, kneading, shiatsu, so you can relax your muscles in case of any sprains or if you have a bad back pain. These are really nice to use. If you want to try to rebuild your muscles up, I would use the EMS. So I'm just going to put these little things right here. They are really sticky, so when you pull them off, be careful. It's like pulling off a band-aid that sticks. And these are like little buttons. You just snap them on there like that. And they should snap in place and won't move. Then we'll want to go ahead and turn it on. Choose our mode. Here's our time. So the time goes all the way up from 10 minutes up to 90 minutes. You've got your menu, so you can change your menu. Each menu setting has 4 little programs in it, so they get intense. So you've got kneading, you've got hammering. So this is for the back. You've got the shoulder, the arm, the leg, and then the bottom 2 are the ones I told you to help restore your muscles, which follows under the EMS. So if you got this little bar right here on the left side, that's the intensity. So it works all the muscles right in here to my thumb. So I'm going to up the intensity. You can see like my fingers are already moving. It's doing some muscle spasms. I can feel it all through my hand. Although you might not be able to see it on camera. But it is happening internally. I would say out of all the modes, I would say the back one suits me better. Even in the arms, it's funny because it's the back section, but it works fantastically on the arms. So if you want to lessen the intensity, you just put the minus button. If you want to up it, you put the plus button. And so the B channel is for the EMS, which is the 2 bottom modes. And those 2 bottom each gives 4 different settings. That helps build back your muscles. And the tension is great for just muscle pain. So I'm going to go through each one of these modes. You've got the tensions and the EMS. I'm just going to click through them. Although I do like the back mode. That one serves my purpose for my back. It actually helps it a lot better. So I'm just going to go through these and set the intensity. So you just push the middle button to get from tension to EMS. So this right here is your settings 13 and it's the number 1. So you've got mode 13 and then you've got number 1 that shows you right here at the bottom where it says P01. That one goes all the way up to 4, and then you got EMS, and then you've got program number 2, and then you have your modes inside the programs. So in the time right here, you can see it starts from 10 minutes is the lowest, and it goes all the way up to 90 minutes. So you can see it goes in increments of 10. So you've got 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then it goes back to 10. But if this is your first time, I suggest only doing 10 minutes at a time. If you have used these before, I set mine at 45 minutes or 50 minutes, which helps me with my back at the end of it. So when you're done with it, you just remove the wires from the top. I just use one, but you can use up to 4. That means you can use 8 different pads. This set here comes with 12-piece snap electric pads that helps with different shapes to your pain. And these are very nice. They actually get the spot. There are some that are sold online, but those ones actually lose electricity. So these ones here are perfect for this machine. You can even purchase these on Amazon for other machines. They are that great. I would definitely recommend checking this machine out because I use this every night for all my back pain, my leg pain. This one definitely is a keeper if you're looking to get rid of those muscle pains. Go ahead and check this machine out. You will be glad that you did.